U.S. stocks bounced back with a vengeance on Wednesday after several days of declines as oil prices pulled back sharply and investors gauged developments in Ukraine. Payne Capital Management President Ryan Payne.
We're seeing commodity prices finally come down, which obviously less pressure on the cost of goods. Cost of oil is good for the consumer. And, maybe what the market's signaling here is at some point we may see a resolution between Russia and Ukraine. I hope I'm not being too hopeful, but I think bottom line is you are seeing cooler heads prevail today in the commodity market. And that's very, very good for stocks because raw material costs are a huge component to cost for companies as they manage their margins here.
The Dow rose 2% and the S&P 500 gained 2.5%, while the Nasdaq surged, rising more than 3.5%. Oil tumbled on Wednesday after reports that the United Arab Emirates will call on fellow OPEC members to boost production, potentially easing some of the supply concerns caused by sanctions on Russia for its invasion of Ukraine. Financial and tech shares led the surge higher Wednesday, while energy stocks took a breather. So far, the energy sector has been the standout sector performer in 2022. Travel and leisure stocks, which were hit hard recently, also soared, including shares of Carnival Cruise Line and United Airlines, both closing up more than 8% higher. And Netflix climbed 5% after Wedbush securities analyst Michael Pachter upgraded the stock from underperformed to neutral, noting a, quote, nearly insurmountable competitive advantage over its streaming peers.